to Catherine's channel. So today we're gonna make a special sandwich. So basically, the normal ones are like you put the cheese here, you put the cheese, you put the tomatoes, and you put it together and you eat it. But no, this one is special. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna add some oil. Now we're gonna toast the bread. Okay, and add our cheese with holes. And our okay, now we're gonna put the second piece. Now we're gonna flip it. Oh, bravo! Now we're gonna take it out. Now we're gonna make a cross, and we have to just see like these two dots. Okay. Now we're gonna put the bread on. Okay. Right here. Very good. Now we're gonna take it up a little bit and put it on this thing to dry. Oh! OMG! Okay, this is big enough, but these two are a little small, but it's okay. Well, this is just here. I'm gonna fry all the food. The cheese can just stay there. It's pretty good. Now we're gonna add some salt and some black. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs inside. But now it's power off, okay? Okay. Like this, it's finished. See? Da, da, da. Now we're gonna take the toast up and put it the way up. Now we're gonna put this on like a little mustache box. Like this, I think. Wow, it's finished! Let's taste test. It looks like it's good, but it's like when you bite it, it's like, oh! So good. So much, guys. Like, subscribe, and click the notifications, and I will see you